When people enter organizations, they start with varying levels of power. But what if you knew that the level of a person's incoming power can determine how that person gains leverage from positions of structural advantage? By examining 33 years of data from the United States Senate, researchers found that whether senators began their careers in the majority party affected their later ability to convert power into influence. Senators who entered the Senate as part of the majority party benefited from having more influence from the outset. But as those parties later lost majority control, those who started their careers with power struggled to exert influence later on, as they had not learned how to wield influence like those who had started their careers in the minority. However, senators who entered in the majority but then lost power were actually more quick to learn how to exert influence following that loss of power than those who had started their careers in the minority, showing that people can recover from the adverse psychological consequences of wielding power even if it takes time. Lastly, these effects were seen even in people who joined the Senate in advanced stages of their overall careers, demonstrating that even very experienced individuals are susceptible to the phenomena described in this research. Wonder how influence fluctuates based on position? If so, then you may want to read this paper.